I'm in the camera.
Nope. Also, guys, we got an unboxing here today.
It's my present that I gave for him. It's his birthday.
Yep. We have Zillion Zutron to unbox today, and it's a Blue Burst. Today was my birthday.
Yep.
Right down right here. And go subscribe to Blaze Gamer here.
Hey, I'm not doing YouTube right now.
Yeah, he's not doing YouTube right now.
Alright, let me explain this, okay?
Okay.
So I'm not doing YouTube because I want to get the raw equipment. Everyone's just starting YouTube so they can do vlogs and stuff.
You like that one?
Yep.
We're doing a video.
Yep.
Right now?
Yeah.
Did I just interrupt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Start over.
Start over.
I don't care.
Did Dad show you what else he got you?
What?
Did Dad show you what else he got you?
No.
You got another present?
Nope. Now this is his mom.
She
interrupted our video.
He interrupted our video.
So,
Well, at least
we're
our video's gonna be longer.
Yeah.
Our video's gonna be longer.
Yeah, so we're gonna do an unboxing again with Lily Zutron here. So let's start with the unboxing.
I'm gonna hold it. Wait, I'm gonna switch it around. Wait, can I do that?
No, just switch it like that. So Zillion Zutron right here. I'm gonna rip it over. Can't open this. Can't open this.
Okay.
Why not open this one? Or just get it right.
Just get it right. Ooh, you got it.
The instructions, nobody needs that.
Ooh, okay.
So this is the string launcher. Right here.
Yeah. And then this is the Beyblade.
The Blaze. This is the launcher. This is the blue launcher. I don't like this launcher. I like the Switch Strike launcher.
You don't like the Beyblade.
Ah.
Ow.
And here's Lily Zutron.
Wait, hold on. Let's do a Beyblade code right now. Show them the code.
Here's the Beyblade code.
Hold on, get it close.
Let's focus it.
Focus.
See. Do you see it?
Okay, let's do it closer. Can you see it? Okay. So that's the code.
That's the code if you want it. And this is Zillion Zutron. I like its sting. Look, it has its teeth right there. And then its sting's pretty normal. And yeah, and then those balls right there, the middle ones,
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
They move like that.
Yeah, I like that.
And so now we're going to the disc.
Okay.
This is the disc. This is called 020, and this in real life they call it 0.
Wait, how heavy is it?
It's pretty heavy. Look at it.
Oh, yeah, that's kind of heavy.
Yeah, it's kind of heavy. So it can make him like Zillion really good with that. So yeah.
Maybe you can have like a heavy
Yeah. And we're gonna do a test launch.
Oh yeah, let's do a test launch. But we need to find our my thing.
Yeah. Here's a tip. Oh, this is really cool. Look, it has that middle ball right there.
Oh,
But it doesn't move.
That's really cool.
But when it goes in the middle, it's like no one can knock it out already.
That's cool.
Literally, this is called.
Show them the bottom. Like.
Let me see. Right there.
Yeah, that's really cool.
It's really cool right there.
It's been 4 minutes already.
Yep. So here's Zillion Zutron. It's really cool. Okay, so we're gonna do a test launch.
So we need to pause the video so we can go find it.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, we found the stadium. It's right there. So we're gonna do a test and see how it spins.
Okay, hold on. Let me get on the ground.
3, 2, 1, light. Pretty good? Yep. Yeah, pretty good. This is pretty good, actually. Okay, now we're going to do a battle with this. And so, guys, we're going to do against Spryzen here.
Spryzen. Is it? It's like pretty dark.
Storm Spryzen. Storm Spryzen, so we're going to do with that. Okay. So, first battle.
Round 1.
Let's see who gets it. 3, 2, 1.
You should have did Spryzen first. Oh! Come on, just fight.
No contact yet.
Oh,
Finally.
contact.
The stamina battle. Let's see who get. Oh,
Who won?
That's a survivor finish.
Who won?
Zillion Zutron.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, so it's 1-0. This base pretty good. I'm glad I got it.
Cameraman.
3. Okay, battle 2. 3, 2, 1, let it. Let it.
Oh, you hit me in the head.
Sorry. Oh. Oh, Zillion Zutron.
That's my mom in the background, guys, if you want to know who's screaming. And Zillion Zutron won again.
So it's 2-0.
Again. Did you hear that? That's my mom during the Warriors gaming. Oh, what? I said Warriors game.
Third battle. This is the last battle. We'll see who wins. 3, 2, 1.
Biased. Okay, that didn't count because they haven't made contact.
Yeah, they did.
No, they never made contact. That went in there and this just bursted.
No, it's because he hit it right here, and it bursted.
So another round because
Oh, it's 2.
they haven't won yet.
It's 2-2, right?
Yeah, it's 2-1.
Oh, 2-1. It's 2-1, guys.
His new Beyblade is winning.
Yep.
And by the way, that's my Xbox up there. We're gonna play Fortnite in a while.
Yeah. 2-1, let it. Oh my God.
That's loud. Spyzen has really good stamina. Come on. Oh, made contact.
And Zillion Zutron
has won. They won.
And I hope you like this, guys. Don't hit that subscribe button and
Beyblade.
Yep. And push that button with that like right there.
Yeah. Okay. I think you're messing up right now.
I know. It's because I keep forgetting my links.
Yeah. Okay. We're in a video. We're in a video.
Okay.
We're in a video.
So put your video on that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video and tell all your friends this video. I hope you like this, and don't forget to subscribe to Blaze Gamer.
Like this video.
Okay, bye.
That's my mom.